Error code 21244007 on your Nintendo Switch means your console has been permanently banned from connecting to Nintendo's online services. This usually happens if Nintendo detects a violation of their user agreements, things like cheating, using custom firmware, or suspicious transactions. I'm guessing you have jailbroken Switch. That's the most common reason. But anyway, in this video, I'll go through what this error means and what to do step by step. So let's begin. First, let's consider our options. First, you have violated the Nintendo contract by jailbreaking your console. The problem can be permanent. Even if you format your Switch, the issue will still not go away. When Nintendo detects an action they consider a breach, they block you completely. And the block applies to the console, not just your account. So the only option is contacting Nintendo support. I'm going to be using my PC for this, but you can contact them using your phone or laptop as well. Anyway, let's open our browser. Search Nintendo support. Open the very first link from here. There will be Contact Us option in the corner. Click on it. Now choose your region. The rest of the support options to directly send a message to Nintendo. Each region has a different support system, so my method might be different from yours, and that's why I'll let you figure this part out. Try contacting them and explain your information. This is not a surefire method since it's unlikely of Nintendo to give you your account back, but you can at least try to make a petition this way. Anyway, that's all for today. If this fails, you'll have to get rid of that jailbroken console or keep playing in the jailbroken status. Sadly, that's the price for jailbreaking. But good luck to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.